Imagine a world where your morning coffee, a slice of tangy lemon, or the sweet taste of honey had no flavor. Difficult, isn't it? Welcome to the Science of Taste, where we uncover the blend of science and sensation that defines our culinary experiences. At the very tip of your tongue lie millions of taste buds, eager to decode the chemical mysteries within our meals. Yet, taste perception extends beyond simple signals. It involves a complex chemical dance initiated with each bite. This segment explores why certain flavors stand out, triggering cravings, while others repel us, delving into the chemistry of taste buds and their role in identifying sweet, salty, bitter, sour, and umami flavors. Moreover, we'll see that taste isn't isolated. It's enriched by smell and texture, contributing to the full tapestry of flavor. Join us as we demonstrate how an understanding of this science can transform cooking from an art into a precision technique, making every meal an adventure to savor. Diving deeper into the culinary alchemy, we explore how heat, an unseen yet potent force, orchestrates a symphony of flavors and textures in our food. The application of heat through methods like boiling and steaming not only transforms food, but also impacts its nutritional value and taste. The Maillard reaction exemplifies this, a chemical ballet that enhances flavors and aromas, turning simple cooking into a molecular transformation. This reaction emphasizes how cooking methods can influence the nutritional and taste quality of our dishes, with boiling and steaming each bringing distinct benefits. Through understanding these techniques and their underlying science, we discover their ability to either enrich or diminish our food's quality. This insight doesn't just improve our meals, it deepens our appreciation for the culinary arts, elevating everyday cooking to a skilled craft. Our journey leads us to the magical realm of fermentation, where biology and culture intertwine gracefully. This ancient method, pivotal in food science and cultural heritage, utilizes microscopic organisms to extend food's shelf life and enrich its flavors and nutritional value. Fermentation represents a complex interaction between food and microorganisms, producing acids, gases, or alcohol, which transform food's texture, taste, and digestibility, carving out new gastronomic dimensions. Beyond preservation and taste enhancement, fermentation plays a crucial role in our health by introducing beneficial probiotics to support our gut microbiome. The cultural significance of fermentation, evident in traditions like German sauerkraut, Korean kimchi, and American kombucha, highlights a culinary legacy that transcends borders, uniting us through flavor. We'll explore how these microscopic transformations have wide-ranging effects on our health, cuisine, and culture. Venturing further, we uncover nutritional science, a foundational aspect of culinary science that transcends mere calorie counting. The core of our food, macronutrients and micronutrients, is essential for health and is significantly influenced by cooking methods. Steaming vegetables versus frying, for example, showcases the intricate relationship between culinary techniques and nutritional retention. This segment highlights the importance of selecting appropriate cooking methods to preserve the invaluable nutrients our foods naturally offer. It's in the nuanced interplay of heat, time, and technique that we can craft meals that genuinely nourish. Understanding nutritional science is not merely academic. It serves as a practical guide to improving every dish we prepare, reaffirming the role of science in enhancing the nutritional integrity from farm to fork. As we conclude our exploration of food science, we delve into the timeless yet evolving art of food preservation. This journey highlights human ingenuity in extending food's shelf life through methods from ancient sun-drying to modern freeze-drying techniques. Food preservation is a critical challenge, combining science with necessity and gastronomy. Today, the fusion of traditional practices and innovative technologies offers breakthroughs in food security, minimizing waste and ensuring year-round enjoyment of the harvest's bounty. This exploration affirms food preservation's significance as a cornerstone of food science, vital for sustaining our future and preserving the Earth's bounty for coming generations. Here, tradition and innovation intersect, shaping a future where food availability and quality are secured, demonstrating the lasting legacy of preserved foods in our global heritage.